got factory converters there and there. Then they put these weights on them to equalize the vibration on the pipe. Then what we did is took the resonator off, took the muffler off, took the tailpipe off, and ran a vibrant right there. Be a part number in the description. 2.5-inch pipe out the side into a dual pit blue flame, or what do you call it? Yeah, blue flame. Right there, as you guys can see. It's gonna come out nice and beautiful sounding, amazing. There it is. That's how you guys do it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Here's sound decibels. Damn rig limiter. Again. 98. Alright, go ahead and back it out. Try it again. See it change? I put it in neutral. It's more bubbly. It's got a barbel to it now, you notice? It's in neutral. Why don't you guys hear it on the inside? Ford F-150 Platinum EcoBoost vibrant and side exit. You guys can see the tip in there. Oh, he set it up. Beast mode in the motion. That's not bad. Sounds really nice.